January 25th. Just to give you an idea of the water coming through. It's about an inch worth of running water. It's flooding our basement, going all the way to the front. Coming from under the fence, taking you all the way to the back to where our property butts up against the Birch Street property. You can see that the water's actually running, not just coming up from the ground, a running stream of water. I'm following it all the way from where it's coming out under the fence.